Hey folks, we're back. We got a really nice little Sentra for you. Great little piece, by the way. Fantastic on gas, super reliable, comfortable, and this one's loaded up with factory navigation, sunroof. It's an SE Sport package, got the big wheels on it. Yup. Got the premium sound system on it with auxiliary line in, USB. Rear sport wing. Nice car, folks. One owner, 21 dealer service records. What a great little piece. Drives 110%, doesn't need a thing. Already through the shop, service and safety inspected, ready to enjoy. Guaranteed credit approvals in full effect on this little guy, and you're looking at a $795 starting down payment. Yep. $795 starting down, one owner, perfect Carfax. It's going to be low on payments, great on gas, lots in eyeball, and she drives 110%. Service contract included, 3 months, 4,500 miles over the drive line. Only at one spot, gascleveland.com.